going to look at the iconic sports car of America and travel the motorsports park. I guess you got to eat, you got to feed the fans, right?
Absolutely.
Feed the fans. Stephanie Morrill does that every day right here at the National Corvette Museum. So you deal with membership and guest services, and you have people from all over the world, right?
We do. It is such a fun place to be. We have guests that, of course, are just here in our backyard and then across the big pond.
Yeah, they really do. Matter of fact, just a little while ago, there was a couple from Scotland who just decided to come by and take a look at the Corvette Museum. So now the cafe wasn't always here when the museum first opened.
It was not. We actually had no food service available to us in our first location, well, before our expansion,
Right.
In 2009. And we knew that that was something that we desperately needed to be able to offer our guests and our local community in this area.
And so when you're, like we just talked about, Scotland, people from all over the world come here. How do you decide on what you're going to feed those people, right? Because you have to cater to the masses.
We do. Of course, our setting determines a little bit of that. Everyone expects to be able to get a burger, a shake, and fries, so we are happy to offer that. And then we just test things out, and sometimes our own staff is our best guinea pig.
Oh, they're calling the staff guinea pigs here. No, but seriously, so you just have to, people know what they're getting into. When they walk into the Corvette Café, they're going to get Americana, right?
Absolutely.
As American. So you've been here for over 2 decades. Share an experience with us, for someone who comes into this museum, the National Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, and for the first time experiences all these cars. What's that like?
Well, it's fun to watch when guests walk into the museum for the first time. They can't focus on one certain thing. They're trying to take everything in as they're walking through the museum, and it's just a fun experience to see that over and over every day.
So when you see a Corvette, obviously it's your livelihood, but what does it mean for you?
Oh, it's a bond. Our Corvette community and members are our family. And they're with us from start to finish in everything that we do.
That's so important. So from the Corvette Café, what would you recommend if someone were to come and eat here?
Oh my goodness. Well, you have to have the Chevy burger and you have to have our fries.
There you go. And maybe some ice cream as well. Thank you for joining us. We've been talking with Stephanie Morrill, who is Member and Guest Services Supervisor here at the Corvette Museum. It's the National Corvette Museum, and we're coming to you from the Corvette Café. It's coffee near me. Keep that conversation going. I'm Barbara Deeb. Thanks for joining us. And Stephanie, thank you.
Thank you.